Hey everyone, this is Joseph with Hush Holsters, and in this video we're going to show you how to mount your drop leg onto your battle belt and how to wear it. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up the belt clip. Next, we're going to open up a space on our battle belt. And we're going to slip the clip behind our battle belt, up and over, swing the clip closed, and lock it into place. Next, we'll go ahead and open up the leg clip, wrap it around your leg, and clip it into place. Adjust the belt tension as needed, and situate the holster so that it feels comfortable. Check to make sure that the articulating hinge feels good as well. Next, let's adjust the holster down using the ratcheting pawl on the drop leg. Go ahead and remove the Hush holster from the drop leg and remove the spacer, and put that away somewhere safe. Next, disengage the pawl from the main body and move it to the position that feels right. Re-engage the pawl into the main body and paddle. Next, put the spacer back in place and clip your Hush holster back into the main body of the drop leg. And that's all there is to it to mounting your drop leg onto your battle belt.